We have just risen from a meeting of the leadership of the former Rivers State PDP Presidential Campaign Council and members of the PDP in Rivers State who stood by the party after the national convention of our party produced our presidential candidate, His Excellency Atiku, Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 to 2007, the Waziri Adamawa. The elections are since over, and the Supreme Court has ruled on the finality of the contest, pronounced His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic, as the duly elected President of Nigeria. We stand by that verdict. As law-abiding citizens and responsible leaders of our party in Rivers State, we recognize the elected President of our country and pledge our full support for the success of his administration for the benefit of all Nigerians. In effect, we subscribe to the President's efforts at strengthening our economy, fighting insecurity, and promoting peace and harmony in our dear country, Nigeria. In the same vein, His Excellency Amopu Senebo, Sir Siminilayi Fubara, was elected democratically as Governor of Rivers State and also affirmed by the Supreme Court. As indigenous and critical stakeholders of Rivers State, we give our dear Governor our total loyalty and support for the progress of our state, and through him, support the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as we believe that working together, the good and interest of Rivers State will be protected. With the elections over, now is the time for real governance, for the progress of our state and nation. It is for this reason that we call on all our supporters to give total support and unalloyed loyalty to the Governor of Rivers State and Mr. President. We are sad because in the last few months, the peace of our state has been disturbed by the foolish actions of one selfish man who believes that more than 7 million Rivers people are his slaves for electing him as their governor for 8 years. Our people are not a conquered lot and will never subscribe to the mentality of conquest. We also refuse to be divided along tribal or ethnic lines. Unfortunately, he has consistently abused the privilege that God bestowed upon him through the votes of the people by acting against the interests of our state. Lately, he has resorted to insulting our revered leader and former governor, His Excellency Sir Dr. Peterobi, Commander of the Order of the Niger, and his wife, Her Excellency Honorable Justice Mary Peterobi, because they refused to support his failed attempt to unjustifiably impeach the duly elected governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminilayi Fubara. We have nothing against Mr. President compensating Mr. Wike with the office of Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. However, we owe the President a duty to explain some facts and advise him on the character and machinations of his appointee. We wish to let the President know that this appointee ran a kleptocratic government when he reigned supreme as governor of Rivers State, and may do same in the Federal Capital Territory if the president looks the other way. We strongly advise Mr. President to keep a close watch on the FCT administration. The FCT minister has threatened publicly to destabilize the peace in Rivers State. The president has a duty to call him to order. We, the Rivers people, will not stand by while an individual decides that we will not sleep with our two eyes closed. The Holy Book says, "He that troubleth his own house shall inherit the wind." If Wike troubles the Rivers people, he shall surely inherit the wind in overdose. All well-meaning Rivers people are calling on and advising the president to call his appointee to order. We wish to let the president know that a vast majority of Rivers people are solidly with the governor, with our governor, Siminilayi Fubara. I will not allow an illegal and unconstitutional assembly of any sort impeaching or disrupt the smooth governance of our dear state and cause a breach of the public peace. Rivers State is too economically strategic for the nation to be toyed with, especially at a time when our nation is looking to maximize her oil production to meet her OPEC quota. Therefore, the peace of Rivers State is of paramount importance to the nation and must be protected at all costs. Finally, with the decisive conclusion of the elections of 2023, we call on all Nigerians, irrespective of party, tribal or ethnic affiliation, to rally round the President Tinubu administration so that working together, we will collectively overcome these hard economic and security challenges facing us all. Long live our dear Rivers State. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you and God bless. Signed, Alamo Sir Dr. Abiy Sekibo, former DG, Presidential Campaign Council, Rivers State. Senator Lee Maeba, former Chairman, Rivers State Presidential Campaign Council. Thank you very much. Time for questions has now come to an end, and we can now switch off our mind. Off the mic.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.